The gate opens and the property just keeps unfolding. It's quiet, private, and it feels bigger with every turn. This isn't the kind of property you measure in square footage. It's the kind you measure in possibility. Room to grow, room to build, room to create something that's entirely your own. Land like this has a story. This was once a golf course, long before it became what it is today. At the heart of it all is a home built for real life. Comfortable, welcoming, and ready for whatever comes next. Whether it's extended family, guests, or the flexibility to grow into something more. It's a space that offers possibilities most properties simply don't. Whether you're creating a family compound or taking the first step towards something entirely new, the choice is yours to make. Because the greatest feature of this property isn't simply what it is today. It's what it could become tomorrow.